Hi, now I'm going to teach you people on how to use chatgpt. Do you know that chatgpt can do a wonderful thing? Do you know that can use of chatgpt? Some of our parents they cannot even do their children's homework. In this my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do your children's homework, even if you don't know it. Mathematics, quantitative, verbal, English, maths, any subject at all, you can use ChatGPT to do it. ChatGPT will work everything for you. So I'm going to teach you. Even all these university students, secondary students, you can use ChatGPT to solve any question that they're asking. So I'm going to teach you, just follow the procedure, what I'm going to show you, exactly the answer, exactly the question. I'm going to give you the exact answer that to give them. Now let's go there. Let's go. Now here is the chat GTP. Now if you don't have it, go to Play Store, download it. When you download it, then if you sign up, then you enter this phrase, be showing you this side. Then when they're showing this side, you see this plus sign, you press it. You see this place that they wrote camera, you press it, then it will open. Let's go there. It will open, yeah. Shebi you have seen if the thing is too this thing, you can bend your your phone like this, you can turn it. Okay, have you seen all these questions? Now watch out how ChatGPT going to answer the question. This one is, who is the father of Joseph? Number one. Number two, how did how old is Jesus Christ? How old is Jesus Christ before he died? They will answer all these questions for me. Then 18 plus 19, 29 plus 11. Now watch out what will happen. You first of all, we are going to snap the picture. Let's snap. Then tick this place. Then it will go back to ChatGTP. Then when the thing go back to ChatGTP, after loading now, we are going to tell ChatGTP that they should answer the question. Let it have not downloaded finish. Now let me be writing first. Network is disturbing. Answer. The thing did not load. Let's see if you can load this. Network is disturbing. Network. Network is a barrier. Let's see if the thing will load. Network is disturbing me. Oh, network did not let the question to load. Answer this question. Still refuse to download. Why now? I'm still putting it in play mode to see if it can download. Network is too this afternoon. It's starting to network did not agree this afternoon. Network. And there's no way I can push it unless there is network. Let me try. Let me see if network can permit me. Let me change the network of this thing. Let me change it to 3G. The network will permit me. Let me see if it can work on now. Please, work. Ah, refuse. What is happening now? Network is doing rubbish this afternoon. Ah, Yeah, now it's downloaded. Now, see, answer this question. I want the chat to answer the question for me. Let's see. Let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. All right. So, have you seen the mass? The mass soon. The English did not answer my English question now. Why? But have you seen the mass soon? The mass soon, they just answer only number one, 18 plus. Okay. Let me see if they can answer it again. Let me see if the network will permit. Let's go there again. Let's see. Let me see if they can answer this one. If they can answer this one. This question that I asked them. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. I pray that network should not disturb again. Network has started again. Answer this question. Answer this question. Let's see. That first question that I asked them. Let me see. Have you seen it? Who is the father of Joseph? Father of Joseph, according to Bible, was Jacob. Have you seen it? Then number two, how old was Jesus Christ before he died? Jesus Christ was 33 years. So this is all about ChatGPT. ChatGPT can do your own work for you. So what I want people to do for me is to kindly share this video. Share it, please. Share it. Share it. I'll bring in more and more good content for you people. See you guys. Bye. Hi. Now I'm going to teach you people on how to use ChatGPT. Do you know that ChatGPT can do a wonderful thing? Do you know that you can use your ChatGPT? Some of our parents, they cannot even do their children's own work. In this my tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to do your children's homework, even if you don't know it. Mathematics, quantitative, verbal, English, maths, any subject at all, you can use ChatGPT to do it. ChatGPT will work everything for you. So I'm going to teach you. Even all these university students, secondary students, you can use ChatGPT to solve any question that they're asking. So I'm going to teach you, just follow the procedure, what I'm going to show you, exactly the answer, exactly the question. I'm going to give you the exact answer that to give them. Now let's go there. Let's go.